Wow, what a beautiful evening. The wind seems to have calmed down. It rained earlier today, so everything's got that sort of dark, wet look to it. I don't notice any bugs out right now. Hoping I can go dive that cell phone tower there a few times and catch a good sunset. All right, here we go. Sorry, I have to cut off the music here because YouTube blocked the video when I had this song in it, even though I had tried a short test clip yesterday that didn't get blocked. For some reason, YouTube decided that today they would block this song. So to watch this video with the music, please click on the AirViews link down in the description. Gotta get some good pictures first.